In this video, we are going to configure the devices to use the relay list mechanism to select the relays based on their subnet. First is a rollout method which allows to configure the list mechanism in the agent installation package itself so that the devices can use it right from the beginning. We can use this method to configure the existing managed devices as well. In this case, the rollout type should be set to reinstall. Another method is the operational rules, which is mainly used for the existing managed devices. The operational rules step that will be used here is relay module setup. So let's get started. In this example, we will be using the same relay list that we created in the previous video. We are starting with the rollout method. Go to Global Settings, select Rollouts, right-click and Agent Rollout Wizard. As I'm going to configure the new device, I'm keeping Install Rollout type. But if this agent is for the existing managed devices, then this should be set to reinstall. Now select the relay selection checkbox and next. Name the rollout. Next. Now this is the communication window where we have to configure the relay for this client device. Make sure the communication ports are correctly defined here. Now to configure the list mechanism, we have to select Auto Select Relay. Select Relay List Server and add it. By default, it will populate the URL of the relay list server that we have created. If we have multiple relay servers, then we can browse it from here and select the desired one. We can also select other relay selection methods that are given here, for example, backup relay. But in this example, I am going with this one only. If we have group of devices to install the agent, select the group from here. Since I'm going to install the agent only on one device, I'll select my device from. Now I'm going to add a device for which we have created a relay list. We can also define the multiple devices with a semicolon separated list. Now add an administrator which has access to that device and click OK. And before moving forward, first verify the rollout. The status should be done and then finish. Now that the agent is installed on this device, let's verify if it has started reporting to the relay that we have defined for the subnet of this device. Go to device topology and go to this relay. As we can see, this device has already started reporting to the correct relay. Let's have a look into its relay module configuration to see how the list mechanism is configured on it. Go to the device node, agent configuration and module configuration. Go to relay. As we can see, the list server URL is configured here and this device has selected the defined relay for its subnet and the relay name is populating under parent name. Now let's move on to another method, which is the operational rule method. With this method, we will configure the list mechanism on the existing managed devices, that is the devices where BCM agent is already installed. So let's first check the current configuration of the device. Go to the device, agent configuration and then select module configuration. Go to relay. Now as we can see, the static parent name is defined here. The mechanism list is defined as static and this static parent is populated under parent name. Now we need to allow this device to select its relay automatically with the list mechanism. So let's configure it. Go to operational rules, right click on it. Select operational rule creation wizard. Let's give it a name. The step we need to add here is relay module setup. So let's search for it. Now as we need to configure the relay selection mechanism, expand this attribute, check the mechanism list box and type list over here. We need to give the list server URL, hence check this box, the list server URL here. With this step, we are making the changes in the configuration, and to make those changes effective immediately, the BCM agent must be restarted. Hence, we will add one more step here to restart the agent. This step will directly restart the BMC Client Management Agent service. Now click on Finish. With this wizard, we are going to assign the operational root to the target devices. If we have a group of devices to assign, select target type as device group. In this example, I am using only one device, so I will select the target type as devices. Next. Assign the target device and finish. Let's wait for the rule to be executed. The rule is executed now. Let's verify if the configuration is changed from static to the least and if the device has chosen its relay. Go to the device node. As we can see, the parent name has been changed. Now let's verify its relay module configuration. We can see that the least server URL has been populated here and it has selected its relay given for its subnet. And this is how we can configure the least mechanism for all the devices in our network. Thank you.